WebAria is a software development company specializing in custom web applications, mobile applications, and digital solutions tailored to the unique needs of businesses and institutions. With the growing demands of school administration, we developed a smart school management system to bring essential operations together in one secure and easy to manage platform. Let's take a closer look. The dashboard provides a real-time overview of school operations, bringing together key statistics, important updates, and quick access to every module from one centralized location. Track the setup progress and configure the essential requirements needed before daily operations begin, ensuring the system is ready for use. Next is academic setup, where the institution's academic structure is created. Configure academic years, classes, sections, subjects, and assign teachers to build the academic foundation of the school. The Students section centralizes student information in one secure location. Import student records, add students individually, manage admissions, update student profiles, and maintain complete information. Faculty management is handled through the Teachers section. Add teacher profiles, organize departments and designations, and manage faculty records from a single interface. Attendance management makes recording daily attendance simple and accurate. Monitor absences and maintain a complete attendance history. The Timetable section helps organize daily academic schedules, configure time slots and breaks, assign subjects and teachers, and generate structured class timetables for the entire institution. The Exam section streamlines examination management. Create examinations, record student marks, generate report cards, and review academic performance through built-in analytics. Fee management simplifies the collection process. The Fee Structure section allows administrators to configure class-wise fee structures, payment categories, installment plans, and academic fee schedules, ensuring financial policies remain organized and consistent. Policy enforcement provides a centralized place to create, organize, and manage institutional policies and guidelines. Transport team section manages transportation personnel and vehicle assignments. Live GPS tracking provides real-time visibility into vehicle locations and active route status. Operations and security brings daily operational activities into one place. Oversee campus operations with greater visibility. Built-in messaging keeps the entire school community connected. Send direct messages, communicate through chat rooms, or broadcast announcements to students, parents, teachers, and staff through a centralized communication system. Planning school activities is straightforward with the Events section. Create events, define target audiences, and manage complete event details from one place. Data Overview brings together information from across the platform with the option to export system-wide data whenever required. Export audit records to maintain transparency and accountability. Manage institutional details and maintain system-wide preferences from one centralized location. At WebAria, we don't just build software. We build digital solutions that move organizations forward. Contact us to learn more.